Ujib web ke Liang Pyrshah ba George Bilingdo ula Kyntu ke sarkar jela ban plait no ke daiñ kuna ki try bat kinongnya kali turis ki bamla ban pynthymmai ki permit jengki. Habara ya kani gamat ya tai leng ba ke 0 hour notice hakasi basaw ka dorbar mang tengka ke yeng dorbar thawai ke jela uba George ulo ong ki try bat nongnya kali turis ki mla ban pynthymmai ki permit nakadaw ka jingsak ta hakaklam COVID-19. Ulo ong ba ke kuna ban ram ba 10,000 ladan ki ba pynthymmai permit menta.
So the entire tourist or tourism sector has suffered because of the pandemic, and the tourist permits fees that has to be paid also, along with the fine because the delay was 10,000 rupees. This is a huge burden on the tourist taxi operators, because they are not getting the kind of tourist inflow that they were supposed to get. And now they are burdened with additional fees for the permits. So I would like to know from the government, sir, through this 0 hour notice, whether this request to make the system more flexible, allow the tourist taxi operators to choose the number of states to which whether it's 3, whether it's 4, whether it's 10, or whether it's all India, so that it will be flexible and based on their operations and their needs, sir. So therefore, sir, I also brought this 0 hour notice to request the government to kindly see if there is any possibility to waive the fines that have been imposed on the tourist taxi drivers, because they have found it very difficult to have their business operated during the past 2 years. They were at a loss, and huge fines have been imposed because of delay, since they didn't have money to come and renew their permits. But when they had the money to come, they were still there was a fine of additional 10,000 rupees, which burdened the tourist taxis. So this was the agenda of bringing this 0 hour notice, which I request the Honourable Minister to kindly look into these issues and perhaps give a faster reply and bring in a system that will allow the tourist operators to have a flexible permit system, sir.
Haba jubab ya kane Menteri ke Transport ubada sekiat lamari ulong baka sarkar jela kala menjuru ya file ban ailat penteri kami ka 3 state permit nak banta ki try bat nongnya kali turis. Halo ke daiñ kuna Menteri ulong baka transport kadang examine benya banyo ikilat klinti ki babyang pun wengi kani ke jeng bat kemi linti baka kanwanra ya ke hatam.
First of all, sir, I would like to clarify, or rather inform the honourable member, sir, that after many sittings and discussions with the team, with the department, sir, we were able to approve the file on 22nd February 2022 to again allow for renewal or issuance of the 3 state permit availability, sir. It was done quite recent on 22nd of Feb 2022. Yes, no doubt this has been a problem faced by the tourist taxis for a long time, and also because of the pandemic, more problems was included in regard of the same problem. So I've also met a lot of associations and a lot of tourist owners, license owners, and they all had the same problem in regards of the permit, but we were able to discuss about it, and we were able to allow it again after the notification given by the Government of India. In regards of the fine and the penalties that has been expressed by the honourable member, we are working on it. We are working on it relentlessly, sir, to find the best solution. Because yes, without doubt, the amount of fine, the amount of problems that has been put up for the tourists is a bit of a problem. So we are working on it, and we are hoping that as soon as possible we'll find the best solutions for waiving of this fine to the best of the interests of the people who was a tourist. So I appreciate the concerns expressed by the Honourable MLA, sir. And at the same time, I would like to inform all the honourable members that the government has already taken action as stated above. And also we will be sitting again and looking for more solutions, sir, for the best. So with this, I hope it satisfies the honourable member, and I think we will be able to do that. Thank you, sir.